Hi, welcome to 1425 Viscaino. I'm at an open house here Saturday in Pebble Beach. And this house you're going to love. It's 5276 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bath. It's set on an acre. It's on the 13th fairway at Poppy Hills golf course. And they used some of the materials from a house called Murray House, which was in Pebble Beach, an iconic home here. And they salvaged some of the things and put them into this house. So it just creates an amazing feel. They've got Venetian plaster, Taj Mahal quartzite. They've got gorgeous limestone floors, and just everything is details to the hilt. So I want to show you the main living room, which is over here, and some living space, and then I'll show you the master bedroom. High ceilings, as you can see, that gorgeous window I showed you. Really gorgeous fireplace. Views out to the fairway. And amazingly high windows, as you can see. It's pretty cool. Everything is automated, smart home. Hit one button, you turn off all the lights. There are blinds on every window. And those go up and down just with one hit of a button. Love this kitchen, as you can see. An entertainer's paradise. Little sitting area too. If you got a game going on, you can be cooking and watching the game, entertaining. Here's the gorgeous dining room. Nice and bright, beamed ceilings again. The sconces over there are from the old Spanish house. Down the hallway, 3-car garage. There's a bedroom on the right and a huge laundry room with 2 sets of washer dryers to the left. Turning back to the foyer, which is very dramatic. High ceilings again, and look at that amazing door. It's so beautiful. I'll pan over to the staircase, which goes up to the 2nd level. Really neat wrought iron railing. Kind of modern, but also fits in well with the feel of the home. One little thing I have to show you, I just am in love with this. Look at that console for this hall bathroom. It's just gorgeous. Details everywhere. Okay, so we'll head into the master now. Nice and light again. Feels cozy in here too. Look out there, but you have blinds so you can keep your privacy. And then this phenomenal master bathroom, which is huge. Really nice built-ins. Shower. And I love this walk-in closet. Can't beat that. There you go. If you're interested, I'd love to show it to you. It's $6.995, but truly an amazing construction. The designs are gorgeous. The materials are pretty phenomenal. Let me know.